2020, Charlotte County voters approved the 1 cent sales tax. Today, we have the groundbreaking for one of those projects. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Sprillo with CCTV News You Can Use, and I'm here with Travis, the Director of Facilities, to learn about this new building. So what are we breaking ground on today?
Today is a milestone that breaks ground for the Sheriff's Administration Complex. This is a pivotal moment for the project to get the construction underway, and it celebrates that milestone.
Now, tell me a little bit about this facility.
So this facility replaces their current headquarters building that also housed several other components of their operation. Over the past several years, other sales tax projects have been able to take those other components and provide their own spaces. This is just a culmination of all those moving parts that creates an administration complex that provides an additional 911 center. It also provides them with their Arctic program space, several other operations that they have inside this facility.
And this is a hardened building, so this will be someplace that is safe during any type of weather event, correct?
Correct. It's a critical infrastructure facility. We do require that they meet a higher level standard for hardening on any critical infrastructure facility, such as sheriff's offices and fire stations.
Okay. And where could a resident go to get more information about this building or any of the other sales tax projects?
So on our website, there's you click the public status update page in the projects section, and you can find all the information there.
All right, very good. Thank you, Travis.
Thank you.
So if you're looking for more information, you can go to our website at charlottecountyfl.gov. For CCTV News You Can Use, I'm Elizabeth Sprillo.